What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jordan and today we're doing a little bit of an impromptu video. I'm here at Harmon Restoration here in Las Vegas, and this is the place to be if you want some place to be working on your Datsun. It's an amazing shop with great guys, and they're having an open house at their brand new facility. It's about 3 times the size of the original shop. So I'm excited to show you the shop and show you all the amazing cars that are here today. So stick around and enjoy the cars.
Dad. Me, I'm the dad in a hat. You just like clubbing and clothes. Me, I like afternoon naps. 3 happy meals for the road. My oldest like counting racks. My middle one, she's in a dirt bike. My youngest is just like a mama. The mama loves me and I love her, so if she wants something, it's never a bother. 3 little ladies, my babies, and 1 on the way. Now I'm stressing my mama. And don't try to play around, don't try to play with them unless you're looking for problems. So don't try to play around, don't try to play with them. My brother's out with the drama. 4 to 5 nights on the road. Counting the days till I'm home. I could do show after show, but nothing is better than home. Driving through nights I'm alone, counting the days till I'm home. I've been on road, I'm on go, but nothing is better than home. Clicking my heels like I'm Dorothy. I need new hobbies, it's boring me. Play all my kids and it's water me. I see new loafers, I'm ordering. I just bought socks and stocks. I feel on top to top. Shipping a pop, I pop. Still young in my 20s, I celebrate. This one for the dads, let me dedicate. Head of the house like the head of state. Bring home the cash and the dinner plate. I go, I zoom, accelerate.
Alright guys, and so I am back home, and a huge shout out to Ryan from Ian's Auto Interiors for driving me home tonight. I ended up leaving the Datsun at Harmon Resto. As you can see, it's not in its normal parking spot. And the reason why I left it there is because it's had a variety of electronic issues, which you've seen on the channel. Everything from the blinkers not working to the headlight having a bad ground and a variety of other things. And honestly, my work has just gotten very, very busy, and I don't have enough time to diagnose these problems and make videos about it. So I just want to drop it off at Harmon Resto, get it sorted out, bring it back, and we can start working on some more exciting things for the car. So I hope you enjoyed this video and an inside look at Harmon Resto's open house. I'm really surprised at how many Z's there are here in Las Vegas, and it was great to see them all. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Catch you later.